We walked across the city of Chicago today. It took us 10 hours and lots of pain. I see it on your faces. It's on mine too. Thank you so much. It means so much that you all came out and you walked with a purpose today. You walked to raise some money for some future leaders. Some of them are here today. Nika is here. There she is right there.
Hi, my name is Nika Jones and I am a current Pursue Scholar student. Today I walked 11 miles and during various parts of the journey I was tested, I was tried, but this was a test of endurance. And Pursue Scholars is the organization that gives people, young people, that push to continue to endure, to continue to go forth, and to continue to be everything that God has called them to be in pursuing their purpose.
You're walking, you're paying, the donations will not go to waste, they're not in vain. I hope that next year and the years to come, this could be an even bigger event that draws communities and people from different backgrounds, belief systems, convictions, and opinions about different things together around a common cause. And so again, thank you from the bottom of my heart.
1, 2, 3, yeah!